10 Ikea Shelving Unit for Small Pantry. A shelf unit says a lot about you. Are you an orderly organizer with a cube storage unit and tons of inserts? An efficient, sturdy steel workhorse with clutter-containing drawers? Whether you want your stuff on display or hidden away, or both, we've got shelving to suit your storage style. 1. IVAR. Since IVAR's storage system is so good at what it does, it has faithfully served customers' needs across the home for over 50 years. Attics, living rooms, pantries, and bedrooms, they all love IVAR. 2. HEJNE. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, included plastic feet protect the floor against scratching. 3. KOLBJÖRN Shelving Unit with Cabinet. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The shelving unit and cabinet is durable, easy to clean, and protected from rust, as it is made of powder-coated galvanized steel. 4. BROR 2 Sections. This storage system is our interpretation of heavy metal. Sturdy, durable, and flexible. Also easy to assemble, complete as needed, and is robust enough to withstand moisture, dirt, and heavy loads. 5. OMAR 1 Shelf Section. OMAR Shelving makes your pantry look like a professional kitchen. But it isn't only a kitchen dweller, it works equally well across the home. Add sections and adjust the shelf heights to fit your needs. 6. HEJNE 1 Section. HEJNE's storage system is sturdy and strong enough for even the heaviest loads in your garage, basement, or attic. Keep the solid wood untreated or stained, paint or wax as you like, to make it more personal. 7. KOLBJÖRN. The cabinet is durable, easy to clean, and protected from rust since it is made of powder-coated galvanized steel. Can stay out in the rain since it has holes in the bottom for water to drain through. 8. HEJNE 3 Sections. You can easily expand your combination if you need more storage by adding on sections and shelves. Untreated solid wood is a durable natural material which is even more hard-wearing and easy to look after if you oil or wax the surface. 9. ALGOT Wall Shelves. A versatile system for the pantry, laundry room, or wherever it's needed. Just click the brackets onto the wall uprights to add a shelf or accessory. It's easy to add or remove parts as your needs change. 10. BROR Shelving Unit. Perfect for big heavy items like tools and books. You can easily expand your combination if you need more storage by adding on sections and shelves. The shelf is perfect for heavy things since it can hold twice as much load, 3 kilograms per DM2 as a standard shelf.